deserves to end. That is what you fail to realize. Who the hell made you judge? I look down on existence from a much higher perspective than you. I witness this world, this universe, and the truth of all things. That yields deeper understanding, wisdom, the realization that all mortals should be destroyed. It's heartbreaking to see a world so scarred, but the purge is necessary. I can see a bright, shining future here, once it's finally free of the mortals who defile it like the barbarous vermin they are. It won't be long until this planet's reborn as a utopia. You mortal mess. My final judgment is now upon you. A most brilliant display. A Saiyan body enveloped in divine energy is beautiful, even if it's wrong. While you've trained to an incredible degree, you remain nothing more than a mortal being. Your kind is incapable of understanding the grandeur of my success and the glory of my cause. It's like staring into the sun. You cannot see. The vast beauty of my being overwhelms you. For I am a breed apart and divine. I came from a different past in pursuit of justice. Now we will destroy evil together. By changing the past, you produced a new time room, then sparked a series of events that disrupted reality even more. What I saw in that ring box is a testament to the unforgivable chaos you wreaked upon the cosmos. How many times have you traveled between past and future?